guys, in today's video I'm gonna be taking you guys with me to do my workout for today at the park, outdoors, no equipment needed, just body weight. I'm gonna show you guys how I healed my lower back pain just by walking and running, getting back to walking and running, doing some core strengthening exercises and a few stretches that helped me. Because if you didn't know, I had to take a break from the gym because out of nowhere I've just had some really bad lower back pain. Really just felt like an injury internally in my lower back, and it hurt so bad, and I've never felt that kind of pain before. So I decided to step back from the gym, take a break, and since then, like before my back pain, if I were to rate how painful it was on a scale of 1 through 10, it would be a 10 out of 10. But right now my back pain is completely gone, and I'm gonna show you guys the things that have helped me heal it, as well as resting, which is one of the most important things that helped as well. My new running shoes and workout shoes, thanks to my baby. It's so cute, you guys. It's so comfortable, and it's my favorite color. Show you this side. So cute, I love it. So one stretch that helped me was just doing butterflies, and you're gonna push one arm on one leg and the other hand to push the other leg down, and you're going to feel a stretch in your hips and lower back. I saw this online from a doctor when I was researching how to fix lower back pain. But do the same thing on the other side. So put your weight down on one leg, push the other leg down with your other hand, and hold this for about 30 seconds. Another stretch that I would do that really helps with my lower back pain. So we're gonna get down, lay down here. We're going to do don't know how to explain it, but so basically you're gonna breathe in through your stomach, push it up, and then when you push out your pelvis, if that makes sense. Core strengthening stretches slash exercise. So you're gonna lay down straight. And for this one, you're gonna practice on bracing your core. I'm gonna take a deep breath and then brace my core. Move my head up and hold this and squeeze my core for 10 seconds. I would do that in sets of 3, so total 30 seconds. Same thing, this is focusing on bracing your core. You're gonna stick out opposite hand to opposite leg and brace your core and hold it for 10 seconds. Like this. That in itself really burns. Oh gosh, and I'm already tired. And also doing hip thrusts really helped me a lot, so hold it, and to make it more complicated, you can stick out one leg and hold it, or hold it like this. Do the same thing on the other side. This is one of my favorite core exercises. You just lay down on your stomach. It looks so simple, but it's actually really hard when you do it correctly. Lift both legs up. Brace your core and slowly put one leg down. Same with the other. But the whole time, you have to be bracing your core. And to make it even more harder, you can lift your head up. You can also do butterfly kicks.